Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Solution. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your username on TikTok. So keep watching the video until the end to learn how. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your TikTok app. Now go to your profile page in the bottom right corner. Click on Edit Profile option. Then click on Username option. Now remove the previous username and type in a new one. Usernames can contain only letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. Changing your username will also change your profile link. You'll also have to keep in mind that you can change your username once every 30 days only. After you've changed your username, tap on the Save option in the top right corner. And if you're sure, click on Set Username option. And here you can see that your username has been changed. And that is how you can change your username on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment in the section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.